everyone, Glama here. So my eyebrows look darker than normal, and that's because I'm in the middle of tinting them. This is my third time tinting them today because the first time you leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes. I only left it on 15 minutes, and when I wiped it off, they looked auburnish, kind of orangey color, and my hair is dark, as you can see. So I did it another 15 minutes on just this brow. But then I wiped it off and it still looked auburn orange. So now I've got it on both my brows and I'm going to leave them on for 30 minutes. So I'm hoping that third time's a charm and that when I wipe it off, it's a nice chestnut color like the box said it would be, not orangish. So we'll see. So that's what I'm doing. My eyebrows look a little funky. They look kind of like clowns painted on eyebrows. Oh, look, I can do the rock.